Alright everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I kind of change up the vibes of one of my agendas. Halloween's coming up soon and I wanted to get that witchy pastel vibe going on in my cloth and paper clear spiral agenda. So if you guys want to see how I actually print out all the things from this website called LittleMagicPrints.com. Please keep on watching. I also show you guys how I make my laminated sticker pockets, which was requested in a previous video that I showed. This is just how I organize my stickers in an A5 agenda that I also received with my cloth and paper subscription. So if you want to see how I do this, please keep on watching. First off, I want to print my image. I'm printing these little rainbows off from LittleMagicPrints, and I'm printing them in A5 size. After I do the initial print, I print it again, but I just flip the image horizontally on my printer so that when I load the image back into the printer, it'll print it double-sided. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but I print it once and then I put the paper back inside, flip the image, and then I print it again. So on the back side, it'll have the image on a dual side. Then I just simply cut out the image. I use two scissors, a big scissors to cut out kind of the general perimeters, and then a smaller pair of scissors for the details. Then to get in between each letter, I have this little X-Acto knife. It's like a green pen X-Acto knife. I got this off of jetpens.com. I'm not sure if they still hold it, but it's really good. I think it's from the brand called Slice, S-L-I-C-E. It's really great for precision work like this, and I just simply trace around the image, and then once I have a trace around the area I want to cut out, I kind of just flick upwards and the image will easily kind of just peel out, kind of like a sticker. After I do that, I have a really pretty image that has kind of like translucent spots on both sides, perfectly matching, and then I turn on my laminating machine. I use these laminating sheets that I got off of Amazon Prime. It's like the most popular one, so it's literally, if you type in laminating sheets, cold and hot, it's the first one that pops up from Amazon. It's from the Amazon brand. Then what I want to do, I don't want to waste the other side of the laminating sheet, so I just take another laminating sheet and I cut it to size. So what I mean is like the interior pocket of an A5, just the size of it. This is going to hold my stickers. After I cut it out, I put both shiny sides facing inwards because the adhesive isn't on there, so if it goes through the heat, it won't stick together. However, the adhesive side is on the outside. So now what I do is I take those two flipped sheets and I put it inside a regular laminating sheet, similar to where I put my little witchy rainbow. I seal it in, make sure it's nice and sealed, and then I just run it through my laminating machine. And here it goes. This is my favorite part. I love seeing like the glossy finish of a laminated piece of image coming out the other end because it looks so perfect and so nice. Afterwards, I just cut out the laminating sheet and also the witchy image. I'm going to put the witchy image aside and I'm just going to work on the laminating sheet. I just cut around the perimeters, making sure I don't get into the seams. The most important part is now that the pocket is sealed, so I want to cut into the pocket on the top edge. I don't know if you guys can see, but I cut the top edge so that I can open up the pocket. And as you can see, even the little piece that I removed has a little kind of indentation as a pocket, and the regular laminating sheet with the two interior shiny sides becomes a pocket. Very easy, very simple. I punch that to size A5 and I just slide that into my binder. And as you can see, you can easily put in your favorite sticker sheets and it fits absolutely amazing. And yeah, it just works. This is like the most idiot-proof way of making sticker sheets. Or sorry, not sticker sheets, sticker holding sheets, I guess. Yeah, anyways, I use a small pair of scissors and I cut out my image. Now I'm going to show you guys how I punch it and put it into the cloth and paper spiral clear agenda. I love this. There is a link down in the description box for the full in-depth tutorial of how to use this punch. But basically I line it up to A5 because that's the size of my image. I punch it out and then I just slide it in to change up the vibe of my agenda. As you can see, it fits perfect and it flips really, really nicely. And now I'm just going to print out some images that will match the vibe of my agenda. I ran it through a laminating sheet, and I'm just doing the same thing, punching holes into it so that it'll fit in my agenda. Opening that up, look how beautiful this print is. I love LittleMagicPrints. They have such good selection of kind of witchy, pastel, kind of cool graphics. I just put that in my agenda, and now the vibes are there. I love it so much, and I definitely am considering doing a flip through of this agenda. So if you guys want that, let me know in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was informative. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and remember to subscribe for more planner related videos. I will be doing that soon upon requests, of course. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.